Torrential slide value equivalent to 208.89 rands a coin. The present cost range, 200.18-211.13. The earlier day close, 208.91. The change was 0.02-0.01%. Opposite rate, Soar to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 199 rands, high 213, low 185. Torrential slide estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 201 rands, high 215, low 187. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 200 rands, high 214, low 186. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost 196 rands, high 210, low 182. And multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 165 rands, high 177, low 153. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost 161 rands, high 172, low 150. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 159 rands, high 170, low 148. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost 151 rands, high 162, low 140. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 158 rands, high 169, low 147. In about 14 days, torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, June 29, cost 147 rands, high 157, low 137. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 148 rands, high 158, low 138. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost 149 rands, high 159, low 139. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 153 rands, high 164, low 142. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, July 5, cost 153 rands, high 164, low 142. In 3 weeks, torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost 148 rands, high 158, low 138. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, July 7, cost 152 rands, high 163, low 141. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 148 rands, high 158, low 138. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost 151 rands, high 162, low 140. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost 152 rands, high 163, low 141. In about a month, torrential slide gauge on Thursday, July 13, cost 155 rands, high 166, low 144. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 155 rands, high 166, low 144. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, July 17, cost 150 rands, high 161, low 140. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 278 rands, excessive cost 294, while low cost 137. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 214. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 148. Change for June 46.8%. Torrential slide figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 148 rands. Excessive cost 166, while low cost 115. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 138. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 124. Change for July 16.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 124 rands. Excessive cost 124, while low cost 102. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 115. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 110. Change for August 11.3%. Torrential slide figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 110 rands. Exorbitant cost 117, while low cost 101. They found the middle value of cost 109. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 109. Change for September 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. to start with cost at 109 rands. Exorbitant cost 118, while low cost 102. The found the middle value of cost 110. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 110. Change for October 0.9%. Torrential slide gauge for November 2023. To start with cost at 110 rands. Exorbitant cost 110, while low cost 93. The found the middle value of cost 103. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 100. Change for November 9.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 100 rands. Exorbitant cost 124, while low cost 100. The found the middle value of cost 110. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 116. Change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 116 rands. Exorbitant cost 116, while low cost 90. The found the middle value of cost 105. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 97. Change for January 16.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at 97 rands. Exorbitant cost 97, while low cost 75. The found the middle value of cost 88. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 81. Change for February 16.5%. Torrential slide gauge for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 81 rands. Exorbitant cost 98, while low cost 81. The found the middle value of cost 88. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 92. Change for spring 13.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 92 rands. Exorbitant cost 94, while low cost 82. The found the middle value of cost 89. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 88. Change for April 4.3%. Torrential slide estimate for May 2024. At the outset cost at 88 rands. Excessive cost 88, while low cost 69. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 80. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 74. Change for May 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at 74 rands. Excessive cost 92, while low cost 74. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 82. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 86. Change for June 16.2%. ZAR to AVAX swapping scale equivalent to 0.4787 coins per 100 rand. The present reach 0.4736 minus 0.4996. The earlier days nearby 0.4787. Change for now 0.0000, 0.00%. ZAR to AVAX cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Ran to torrential slide estimate on Friday, June 16, cost 0.503 coins, high 0.541, low 0.46.